All right, today we're going to be looking at lesson number 3, adding and subtracting like mixed numbers. This is from our notes packet with adding, subtracting, and multiplying fractions. So here are the rules that we need to follow for adding and subtracting mixed numbers. First of all, we kind of have two different problems going on. We add or subtract the fractions, and then we add or subtract the whole numbers. And then we need to simplify if we need to, and if we have an improper fraction, we need to make that into a mixed number by adding the whole number to the mixed number. So let's take a look at some examples here. Here's our first problem. Notice we already have the same denominator, so this is going to be fairly simple to do here. So we're just going to look at, since we have the same denominator, we just need to look at our numerators. So I know I'm going to have 4 minus 3 is 1/5. And then now I need to look only at my whole numbers. So I have 4 minus 3 is 1. So my answer is 1 1/5. Right, let's take a look at our next problem here. Again, I know that I have the same denominator, so I know I just need to add my two numerators. 1 plus 4 is 5. Now I need to add my whole numbers. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now, on this one, I'm not in simplest form. 5 over 5 is the same thing as saying 1 whole. So I'm really going to have 12 plus 1. So my final answer here is going to be 13. That's my answer in simplest form. So you are going to try the 2 you try problems. So go ahead and place your video on pause, and I'll be back with the correct answer. All right, our correct answer for the first you try problem is 7 minus 5 is 2. So we have a fraction of 2/9, and my mixed number is going to be 1. So 1 2/9. Here I'm going to have to change I have an improper fraction, so my improper fraction is going to end up looking like 9 plus 10 over 9 is 1 1/9. So my final answer is going to be 10 1/9. All right, let's go ahead and look at a couple more together problems here. So I'm going to end up here, I'm going to have 1 plus 1 is 2 fourths. 1 plus 1 is 2 fourths. 4 plus 2 for my whole numbers is 6. 6 2 fourths can be simplified to 6 1/2. So again, notice we don't really have anything new today. There's no new concept. We're just having to put together information that we know about adding fractions, simplifying fractions, converting an improper fraction into a mixed number. So there's nothing new today. We're just putting things together. So in this problem, I'm going to have 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6 6/11. I cannot do anything to simplify that. So that's my final answer. Go ahead and hit pause and try the you tries, and I'll be back with the correct answer. All right, so for our first one, we're going to have 13 12/9. That's not going to be simplest form, so I'm going to end up with a whole number of 13 plus 1 and 3/9, which is going to be equal to 14 and 3/9, which is really in simplest form 14 and 1/3. And for our final problem, we're going to end up with 4 and 1/5. So tomorrow we will do the bell work problems stamp page at school. So we'll see you then.